We shall move to day 3 of week 7. Thank you for hanging in there. And in day 3, we're talking about never stop learning. Never stop learning. Proverbs chapter 22, verse 6. I know most of you know this one. It says, train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Activity question says, list down some of the areas in which you can improve yourself as a worshiper. So get out your journal, list down some of the areas in which you can improve yourself as a worshiper. You've listed? Okay. Outstanding worshippers value training. Outstanding worshippers value training. They always keep themselves open for training opportunities and make use of them more often than not. They consume books, blogs, podcasts, videos, seminars, and webinars, or anything else that advances their work with God and ministerial competency. And even as I read that, I want to say none of these things replaces the Word of God. Okay? So don't just be all about the blogs and the articles. Read the Word also. Truth be told, the kind of worshipper described above is an endangered species. For the most part, we find ourselves so busy with our day jobs that all we have time for is singing the songs that our worship leaders lead us to sing. Our jobs and our culture of loving to be entertained have us so caught up in a milieu of activity that keeps us busy, such that we are much too busy to pray, much too busy to read, much too busy to study, or in any way increase our ministerial competency. In fact, we often are of the mistaken belief that since worship is for God and He is full of grace, we really don't need to improve anything about our execution of it. After all, we will accept anything, and we even go as far as thinking, and we should accept it with thanksgiving. Our prayer thought says, pray that the Lord will cause you to love training and cherish instruction. Heavenly Father, we pray that you teach us and cause us to love training, to love and cherish instruction, to constantly be learning from you and from your word and from your people, so that we can grow in our worship of you. In Jesus' name we pray. Our memory verse today is Psalm 119, verse 97. It says, oh, how I love your Lord. It is my meditation all the day. Oh, how I love your Lord. It is my meditation all the day.